wing abreast. He wants to be looking straight down the wing of Jeff Lavelle's airplane over to that jet pace plane. They're going to be coming down over 300 miles an hour, 240 knots at this point. They're picking up speed. You see Lemon Valley off to the right where the water is there. That's Lemon Valley.
Okay.
We are off to his left. You can see the airport to the left. You see the runways directly ahead of him.
Coming into view right there. And make no mistake about it, this guy's going to be locked in a battle.
You bet he is.
All through this race with the man to his left.
Gladiator mode right about now.
Right.
Let's see that hand go to the console. Well, we called that one. Okay. They are coming down the chute right now. The jet plane has pulled up. They are in the chute. They are in gladiator mode. They are drag racing for that guide pylon directly ahead of them right now. Okay, let's watch Andrew in the cockpit. Let's see if Lavelle can get ahead of him. Right now, it looks like they're pretty even because I do not see Jeff Lavelle in his peripheral vision. Okay, they are going, okay, they're rolled into that first turn. Close to 400 miles an hour. They pull about a 5G turn. Look at the bank angle on Andrew Findlay as he goes around right now. I wish we had a G meter in this shot where we could see what the G meters are. I guarantee he's pulling about 5.5 Gs at this point. Look at the world roll up on the side of that canopy to him. Okay, you could throw a blanket over both of them right now. I'm looking off to about the 11 o'clock position on our race course, Tommy. They are neck and neck, wingtip to wingtip. Jeff Lavelle in the Super Glass Air 3, race number 39. And Andrew Findlay in one moment, sponsored by Steel. Here they come. They're Lavelle. Okay, yeah, okay, Lavelle. That is for the race for second. Lavelle is way out front.
Wow, Jeff Lavelle.
He snuck that one out on him.
Incredible start right there. We don't know
there's our
quite
second
what happened
place.
to Andrew Findlay. Still waiting for him to come back. He's off the pace to be sure.
Oh yeah. Okay, we got to figure out what's going on here. Boy, Lavelle did pull that one out of the hat on the takeoff. I thought Andrew was right with him. Okay, Andrew Findlay looks like he is in second place, but Jeff Lavelle has started, he's got the lesson in air racing going on again. Class is in session. Boy, great shot of it from the cockpit there with Andrew Findlay. Second, third, so Andrew Findlay should be one of those airplanes. Looks like the one down low. He looks like he just got overtaken, possibly by Bob Mills.
Or Peter Balmer. Could be Peter Balmer. You have the yellow and blue.
Okay, here comes our leader. Holy moly.
Yeah, Jeff Lavelle just running away from the field now.
How's a guy to make a living with Jeff Lavelle on the course?
Oh, my word.
Gee whiz. Okay, it looks like Bob Mills in second place. Andrew Findlay's in third. There's our Mustang directly passing the start-finish pylon right now. Okay, Lavelle is getting some amazing speed out of this airplane again. 750 horse, twin turbocharged, air-cooled Lycoming engine, American-built engine, homemade-built airframe. Again, it's a 25-year-old design by Glass Air, built by our pilot, Jeff Lavelle.
Defending champion, defending gold champion in sport class.
Six-time defending champion. Our current champion was six-time winner in that class.
Looking for number 7 this week, and nobody's stopping him today, it doesn't look like.
Oh, my goodness. The speed he's getting today, of course, he's out in clean air, which helps, but it's still rough air out there. The speed he's getting today is unbelievable. Yeah, that looks like Peter. That picture there looks like Peter Balmer.
That's Peter Balmer, yeah, that picture.
Our Mustang, our Blue Thunder Mustang. 800 horsepower Falconer V12 engine in that airplane. It gets a 3/4 scale P-51 Mustang replica called a Thunder Mustang. There's Jeff Lavelle. Look how fast. Look at the real estate he's covering, Tommy.
My gosh, he's moving on out there, and
He's going about 3.5 miles a minute right now.
Oh.
Race 2-4, race control. It appears you have a gear door partially open.
Okay, somebody just got a call from race control. They do have a gear door open at these speeds. That could really rip it, clean out the airplane. Okay. On our films here, see if we can see whose gear door is down. Doesn't look like
Don't
Lavelle's
see anything
speed
there
he's
on Jeff
going.
Lavelle's plane. No. Well, you can all look for that. Identify that airplane.
Boy, Jeff Lavelle is holding a clinic on air racing this week. I think that was Jimmy Russ that just went by in race 24. Race
This is
47
Bob Mills
now. Bob
right there.
Mills
You're seeing it
from Reno,
the
Nevada,
screen.
local pilot, Super Glass Air 3. Run a 550 horsepower Continental, or 550 horse Continental. Had a speed Jessy of 348 miles an hour. Unbelievable speeds they're getting out of these home builds. Great pylon shot back around the sagebrush. Like Jeff Lavelle at that point. Okay, still on Bob Mills out of Reno, Nevada.
Bob Mills holding in second place is race 47.
White flag.
White flag, they're on the bell lap now. Andrew Findlay has really backed off on the speed and power. If Jeff Lavelle's backed off, it's hard to tell because he's got almost a full lap lead. He's been lapping some of the planes.
Absolutely too much speed for this field and this race today.
Okay, see if we can pick up where he is on the course. Here he comes. Unofficial winner, let's see. Nope, that's not him. Okay, we got him on the backside. The 11 o'clock position right now. He's going to overtake an airplane before he gets to valley speed. Look at the closure speed on that other airplane out here. Again, these are all airplanes capable of going over 300 miles an hour. His closure speed, he just went by that other pilot like he was tied to the sagebrush. He's in the valley of speed for the last time. He's off the 9 o'clock position on the course right now. Probably pushing 350, 380 miles an hour.
And not really needing it at this point.
Doesn't need it at this point, absolutely. Rounding pylon 7, 8, 9 for the last time. Shove the nose down, coming across the steel start-finish pylon. One more time. Okay, second place. Race 47, Bob Mills from Reno, Nevada, taking unofficially second place.
Pace is at 8,500 on the west side.
Covering runway 26.
It's hard to keep up with these when you've got somebody going as fast as Jeff Lavelle is out there and lapping so many airplanes.
And so many of the sport class are white.
Yes,
that complicates things for guys like
the reason
like
for that is they're composite because you want to keep them as cool as possible because being composite, if they get hot, they get soft. So that's why most of your composite airplanes will be white, at least the wings anyway.
So it's not intentionally to befuddle announcers then, okay? Good to know.
That's just one of the perks. Wow, Jeff Lavelle giving a clinic in air racing again today.